Hello there, grade 9s. Here is our plan. Your job here today is to properly design a table. You've already signed in, which is good. Watch one video of data being collected. It takes you 13 seconds. Do that. You watch Mr. Fleming how to clean up a messy logger profile. To do that. And then you're going to watch Mr. Fleming prepare a sample to upload and turn it in. That is what I'm recording right now. So what you're going to have is your Word document that we're working on last class. You have your graph here and you have a bit of reasoning. Then we're just going to press enter, 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 and then command enter, and that's what's called a page break. And it moves that all to one page automatically. Good. So what I need here is to put in table 1, but I'm not sure what table 1 is. I actually need to make that. That you'll see in our instructions is the next thing. So I'm going to guide you on that as well. So we're going to come in good old Excel, not there, here. Makes it a little bigger. And for your table, we can use the sample given here. It's got all the stuff we need. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in. Unfortunately, it's a bit wider. It hasn't merged things too well. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to cut that. I'll come here, press Alt Enter, then paste. Do that again here because this is going to disappear. Cell 2 is deleted. So this looks good. It's what a table should generally look like. I'm going to put in wrong words here because I can't have you copy my table. That would be cheating. What I'm going to do instead is going to have maybe the length of these masses. That's what I'm going to do. So description of measurement is going to be the length of masses. I'm going to press Option Enter. I have a symbol for that. It's going to be, let's say, L for length. And my units, I'm going to work in centimeters. My uncertainty when I use a ruler, it's going to be 0.5 millimeter. But this needs to agree. I have to change this to centimeters. So it's going to be 0.05 centimeters. That's good. And I'm going to take out my ruler and measure. Ruler right here. And I'm going to measure this one, which is 12.93. 12.93 centimeters. So notice the decimal places agree. Also, I'm going to center this. That's better. And I need to get my data. How you're going to get your data is by going to this Google Sheet, which is right here. And you have to go to your class 9.1, 9.3, 9.5. Let's pretend I'm in 9.5. Let's pretend I am Frank. So I'm going to come click here on this number 10. And click here on the name. It loads. I've never done this before. This happens. No preview variable. That makes sense. So I'm going to click on download. So it downloads. Once it's done downloading, I'll click on it. And look, Logger Pro opens. That's a Logger Pro file. And you've seen the video. And what happened is Mr. Ming and Miss Lien, they did this like 22 times. And they went so every student has unique data. We know that the gradient of the velocity time graph is acceleration. So this top graph, I'm just going to delete it because I don't care about it. I'll take this graph and make it taller. That makes our life a whole lot easier. And we have all these different samples. I'm going to scroll sideways here. Cart only is the red one. Then cart and weight 1 is the blue one. And cart plus weight 1 and 2 is the green one. So that's the green one. So if I only want to see the green one, I would just double click the graph and I would come up here. I would turn off the orange. I would turn off the red. I would turn off the blue. Green, I want to keep on. Turn off this orange. Turn off the purple. Turn off this darker red. Oh, there's 2 greens. I'm not sure green I want. I'll do that for now. Turn off the blue and just click that. Okay, so now I got 2 greens. I want this lighter color green, which is this one. So I'm going to double click again and we'll turn off this darker green, because also, I can't see the name because it's too long to fit. Okay, make this wider. Oh, look at that move. This is car plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I only want car plus 1 and 2. Okay, so we have this. And as we know that the gradient of this bit, that's the acceleration where it goes forwards. So I click on this button, I get that, and I do this one, I get that, I do this one, I get that, and I'll just move these down here below in order. And these are my 3 trials. So 0.5233, 0.5233, and 5272, 0.5272, and 5150, 0.5150. Remember to find the average. I press equals. I start typing average. I click on this. I select these 3 things. I press enter. Does the average. I'm going to fill down. I need to remember to control my decimal places so it kind of matches. I got 4, so I should have 4 there. That's good. I need to put some words here. Again, I can't tell you what to write there. You have to do that yourself. But I'm going to help you with one more thing. So even though I was doing the length, we know it's not the length, it's something else. And so I'm going to help guide you a little bit as I do. This is cart plus weight 1 and 2. So I'm going to go over to our Google document. We have the cart weight plus the weight 1 and the weight 2. So even though these all say 250 grams, they are a bit over. So that would be these 3 masses together. Cart plus weight 1 plus weight 2. That was our 3rd manipulation. So I would need to do some of those 3 numbers. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but you can figure that out. And I would put that number, spoiler, right here. But you need to do that yourself. Once your table is completely done, you would copy, copy all this. I'm going to make a mistake right now on purpose. And we're going to paste it here. And look, it doesn't look like a table. I made a mistake on purpose, so let's delete that. I need to go back, press this button here. We click this, all borders. And now I will copy and paste. It actually looks like a table. Excellent. Oh, these are in center. So there's various things that you need to do to make this better. Tables need a title. This would be length of masses. Remember, this is wrong. And whatever this thing is, whatever this other item is. For uncertainty, we can use the digital uncertainty rule. That's okay. But the much better thing that you should do, optional extension, which I hope some of you do, it's right here. It's not hard to do. I've had grade 9 students do this for the last few years. That's why this video was actually made. And grade 9s have rocked it out. I trust you will rock it out as well. So we put that in this document. You only need to do one of these because right now your goal is to show me that you know what to do. At the end, for homework, you have to do it all. But if you want to leave our call early You do that, and you go to Logger Pro. You're going to take a copy of this and paste it there. If you need to, maybe make it a little smaller, who knows? And this is what we call a sample screenshot. And it's showing, you only need to do one of these, showing where these numbers come from. So it shows a person that you know how to do it, right? Because you're not selecting weird, wacko areas. And you should get some nice, beautiful patterns here. So your job for our first class is just to complete this table. Next class, we will do the next step together as well. Have yourself a very good day.